Hey guys, welcome to Anthro. So in this lecture we are going to discuss about the complete strategy for the anthropology for the UPSC examination point of view. So the topic of this lecture is how to study anthropology for the UPSC. So let's begin our lecture. First thing that what we need to discuss in this lecture. So first thing is the strategy, second one is the syllabus, third thing is the how to complete the syllabus, and fourth thing is the book reference. So first come to the strategy, that what kind of strategy should be there for the UPSC examination. So first thing is that you will have to go through the syllabus, that what is the syllabus, what is the topics there in the UPSC syllabus, and you will have to make a basic understanding about the subject, and then after you will have to go through the previous year question papers, that what kind of questions UPSC is asking in the paper. So if you will just go through the syllabus, and then after you will look at the question paper, then you will try to get some relation between the paper and the syllabus. And third thing is you will have to complete all the topic syllabus wise, and then after you will have to take right book for your study. Now come to the syllabus. So in UPSC for the optional subject there are two papers, and each paper contains 250 marks in the UPSC examination. So let's discuss the syllabus of paper 1. So in this syllabus the topics are what is the anthropology, human evolution, the primates, geographical distribution of the past human, the biological basis of life, chronology, culture, society, marriage, family, economic organization, political organization, religion, anthropological theories, research methods, human genetics, chromosomes, race, ecological anthropology, epidemiological anthropology, human growth and development, application of anthropology. So paper 1 basically contains socio-cultural anthropology and the physical anthropology. Now come to the paper 2. So for the paper 2, this is basically all about the Indian anthropology. So here each topic will be related to the India. So in this syllabus the topics are evolution of Indian culture and civilization, demographic profile of India, traditional Indian social system, emergence and growth of the anthropology in India, Indian village, tribal situation in India, scheduled caste and the scheduled tribes, Hinduism, Buddhism, Christianity and the Islam. Now come to the topic how to complete syllabus, that what will our strategy, how we will cover all the syllabus. So topic wise lectures will be provided by the Anthro, and for the diagrams and the flow charts you will have to take help of the Google. And whenever you are reading any new topic in anthropology, so just go through the Google and try to search some diagrams that can make your answer some different. And next thing is the notes making. So in UPSC notes making is very important to concise your material, because at the time of examination you will not get so much time to revise your notes or your syllabus or your each and every topic at a moment. So notes making is very important. The additional thing we are going to do, that there is a program on the Rajya Sabha TV, Main Bhi Bharat. So additionally we are going to do something new. We will provide lecture of each episode, and which will save your time a lot. Now coming to the big book reference, that what books you should prefer for the paper 1. So in paper 1, as I have told you, that the socio-cultural anthropology and the physical anthropology is there. So social anthropology, brain tree materials, Majumdar and Madan. For the physical anthropology, P. Nath or the B. M. Das. Vivek Bhasmi is very important for the diagrams and the flow charts and the structure of the answers. And IGNOU study material will helpful for your answers and the contents. Now come to the book reference for the paper 2. So in paper 2, Indian anthropology is there. So Nadeem Hasnan or the LP Vidyarthi for the Indian anthropology, Khaka report is the complete structure of the Indian tribals, brain tree materials and the IGNOU study material. So this was all about the strategy, syllabus the anthropology. I think this will be very helpful. Thanks for watching.